Donald Trump's ban on travel to the U.S. from some Muslim-majority countries has been denounced by the UN's rights chief as mean-spirited and illegal under international human rights law. Zrad al-Hussein said, "Discrimination on nationality alone is forbidden under human rights law. The U.S. ban is also mean-spirited, and wastes resources needed for proper counterterrorism." Mr. Trump's executive order, which also suspended all U.S. refugee programs for 120 days, would endanger lives, the medical aid agency Médecins Sans Frontières said. The Paris-based advocacy group said Mr. Trump's order will effectively keep people trapped in war zones, directly endangering their lives. MSF, also known as Doctors Without Borders, called the refugee ban an inhumane act against people fleeing war zones. It called on the U.S. government to lift the order, end the exclusion from specific countries, and to restart the resettlement of refugees. The EU vowed not to discriminate against refugees based on nationality, race or religion and said it will never choose isolation and inequality, in an implicit reference to America's actions. EU Commission spokesman Margaritis Sinas said that the 28-nation bloc was carefully studying the U.S. travel ban to see how much it will impact EU citizens. Mr. Sinas also quoted from a Sunday interview of Commission President Jean-Claude Juncker, in which he said, "We have to make choices about the world we want to live in. We must choose between isolationism, inequality and national egotism on the one hand, and openness, social equality and strength through solidarity on the other." In an interview with Germany's Die Welt, Mr. Juncker said that it is by standing for opening, social equality and solidarity that Europe can credibly act on the world stage to find common forward-looking solutions. And the world's largest body of Islamic nations told the Associated Press that it has grave concern over the travel ban. The 57-nation Organization of Islamic Cooperation issued a statement on Monday warning that such selective and discriminatory acts will only serve to embolden the radical narratives of extremists and will provide further fuel to the advocates of violence and terrorism. It called on the U.S. to reconsider this blanket statement and maintain its moral obligation to provide leadership and hope at a time of great uncertainty and unrest in the world. The 90-day ban, imposed on Friday, affects travel to the U.S. by citizens of Iraq, Syria, Iran, Sudan, Libya, Somalia, and Yemen. All are members of the OIC,